Hello everyone. So our today's topic is all about super function in Python. So first of all, super is a predefined function in Python. That is the first point. By using the super function in child class, okay, we have to use in child class, subclass, derived class. What we can do with that? We can call first super class constructor, that means base class constructor. Second, super class variables, that means base class variables. Third, super class methods, that means we can call base class methods. So how it works, we will check quickly with example. First scenario, if it is class capital A colon and def underscore underscore init underscore underscore self in the parameter bracket and print, obviously double quotation one message, super class constructor. Okay, and then we can have class B, which is inherited from A. Okay, and it will also have one constructor. So we'll just copy paste this only, and that is also underscore underscore init, but this will be subclass constructor. Okay, and now coming to main part, that how we can call super class or base class constructor. So we have to use super function dot underscore underscore init underscore underscore and function bracket. So now in the next line, when I will create the object, for example, b1 is equal to b and function bracket, control S. So it will first jump to your subclass constructor, and then because of the super, it will jump to the super class constructor. Let's check the output of this, control S. First it is subclass, and then it will jump to where? Super class. So now the question is, which scenario super function is required? Question mark. So when both the superclass and subclass, that means base class and derived class, may have same method name, same variable name, in some scenario we may come where we want to use both of them in a subclass variable also and superclass variable also. Then in that case we can use super function. So I am writing one more example, that is not for constructor, for the normal method. For example, define a1. Okay, and here also it is define a1. Means in both the class we have one method and name of that method is a1. Okay, but the problem is when we are creating object, it will jump to subclass and it will call this a1. Okay, and also we will write obviously super class super function dot a1 function. That means at this point it will call the method a1 declare in base class constructor. Okay, control S F5. Okay, we are not getting an output, any mistake or any problem. Let me check. Okay, we have not actually called our method a1. Obviously we are simply writing one line, b1 is equal to b. This is used only for two purpose. One is to create object and one is to call constructor. But this example is not using constructor, it is using normal method. So we have to write b1 dot a1, control S. Okay. See, it is calling subclass constructor first and then superclass constructor. Likewise, in my next video, we will take one real-time example of class student and we will check in that also constructor, then same method name, then same variable name. We will check everything in my next video. So, thank you everyone.